On. The cat is on the table.
The cat is on the table.
In. The keys are in the bag.
The keys are in the bag.
Under. The dog is under the chair.
The dog is under the chair.
Behind. The child is behind the tree.
The child is behind the tree.
In front of. The car is in front of the house.
The car is in front of the house.
Next to. The dog is next to the boy.
The dog is next to the boy.
Between. The cat is between two boxes.
The cat is between two boxes.
Above. The cloud is above the house.
The cloud is above the house.
Below. The cat is below the table. The cat is below the table. Inside. The apple is inside the box. The apple is inside the box. 2. I go to school.
I go to school.
From. She comes from school. She comes from school. Into. The cat jumps into the box. The cat jumps into the box. Out of. He takes the ball out of the bag. He takes the ball out of the bag. Up. The boy runs up the stairs. The boy runs up the stairs. Down. The girl walks down the hill. The girl walks down the hill. Through. The train goes through the tunnel. The train goes through the tunnel. Across. She walks across the street. She walks across the street. At. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. On. My birthday is on Monday.
My birthday is on Monday.
In. I was born in April. I was born in April. Before. I eat before school. I eat before school. After. She drinks tea after dinner. She drinks tea after dinner. During. He sleeps during the movie. He sleeps during the movie. Until. I study until midnight. I study until midnight.